Good morning all. Today I am discussing about estimation. This is the 5th semester diploma, your course. I am Miss Monalisa Sahu. What is first estimation? Estimation is the process which is calculate quantity of various items of the work involved in the project. When we take a project, then first we calculate the cost of the object. Then how do we calculate the cost of the object? This was the process of calculation. First drawing, plan, elevation and section, then its specification, its rate and methods of measurement. We discussed about the culvert and bridge. Culvert is classification of culvert. Culvert means it is which is considered linear waterway which is below but up to 6 meters. Then bridge is above measure from 6 meters. Bridge has two types, minor bridge and major bridge. Minor bridge is considered from 6 to 30 meters and above 30 meters we consider the major bridge. First we calculate these were 4 types of bridge is used: slab culvert or box culvert, arch culvert and pipe culvert. These 4 types of we are calculating in this chapter. First we discuss about the slab culvert. Slab culvert, this was the plan diagram and this was the elevation and this was the plan and this was its section view. In this diagram, this was the abutment called abutment. There are 2 abutments in plan section and this was called from wing wall. These are 4 wing walls in this diagram. It was called right angle wing wall, slab culvert. And this was the front view of the culvert. First we calculate the earthwork excavation. Earthwork excavation was calculated. First we calculate abutment and then wing wall. Abutment was 2 numbers of 2 abutment. This was 1 and second one is this. First the length of the abutment. Length of the abutment was considered from this up to this. And then we calculate first length of the abutment, then breadth, then height, then its quantity. Quantity means length into breadth into height into numbers of instrument. Then we calculate the quantity. First we consider the length. Length, how to measure? This was given 4.8 meter and this was 0.15 and this was 0.15. So total length is 5.1 meter. It was we write here 5.1 meter. Then it's considered breadth. Earthwork excavation we are doing. Then the breadth is 0.7 meter. 0.7 meter is considered from this to up to this. Then we calculate the height or depth of the earthwork excavation. Height or depth of earthwork excavation calculate from the plan. कैसे ग्राउंड लेवल से नीचे जो तक है वो है हमारा earthwork excavation. यहाँ पे कितना 30 मीटर और 30 मीटर तो 30 कितना हो गया 60. तो ये हो गया हमारा 60 मीटर. Then we calculate the wings wall. Wings wall में क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ wings wall होगा 4. सिर्फ उसका लेंथ ही चेंज हो जाएगा और ब्रेथ और हाइट और ब्रेथ दोनों सेम ही रहेगा क्योंकि हम लोग earthwork excavation कर रहे हैं. कितना होगा लेंथ 1.2 मीटर. हम कंसीडर यहाँ तक अबटमेंट का हम यहाँ तक कंसीडर कर लिए और यहाँ से यहाँ तक हो गया 1.2 मीटर. और अभी earthwork excavation कंप्लीट हो गया. Then we calculate the cement concrete. Cement concrete is calculation from this part. In earthwork excavation and in cement concrete, the length of the structure was same. The wing wall and the abutment length of the structure was same. Only change in the height of the structure. Height यहाँ पे height दिखाया गया है 30 centimeter. The 30 centimeter we consider the cement concrete of the portion. Then we calculate 30 सेंटीमीटर, तो 30 सेंटीमीटर 0. then we calculate the quantity of the both structure and total. तो total कितना, length into breadth into height, तो क्या 2.41 cubic. Thank you. Next we consider next class.